Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Trini-style caramel flan. First, gather your simple ingredients like eggs, milk, and sugar. You'll then prepare the rich caramel directly in your baking dish. Next, mix the creamy custard ingredients until perfectly smooth. Finally, bake your flan gently in a water bath for even cooking and a delightful texture. This easy method ensures a delicious dessert every time. To begin, melt 1 cup of granulated sugar in a heavy saucepan over medium heat. Stir constantly until it transforms into a beautiful amber color. Be careful not to burn it, as this can make it bitter. Immediately and carefully pour the hot caramel into your baking dish. Quickly swirl the dish to evenly coat the bottom and sides before the caramel hardens. This creates the signature topping. Now let's create the creamy custard. In a bowl, whisk 4 large eggs until well combined. Add 1 12-ounce can of evaporated milk, 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix thoroughly until smooth. For an extra silky texture, strain the custard mixture through a fine mesh sieve. Then, gently pour this smooth custard over the cooled caramel layer in your baking dish. To bake, place your flan mold into a larger roasting pan. Carefully pour hot water into the larger pan, reaching about halfway up the sides of your flan mold. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 to 60 minutes, or until the center is mostly set with a slight jiggle. Once baked, cool completely, then chill for at least 4 hours or preferably overnight. Finally, invert the flan onto a serving plate to reveal that luscious caramel topping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.